Choosing a DIY flat pack kitchen doesn't mean you can't get a perfect fit for your home. This Kaboodle kitchen is a flat pack that acts like a bespoke kitchen, creating a practical, inviting and designer look for a fraction of the price. So how did we do it? Well, it's all about getting the plan right. It's real life inspiration that really drives the design ideas for your own home. And a mood board is a great way to get that process going, and it can provide a reference point for the rest of the project. The next step is to think about the space and what it needs to do for you and your family. This kitchen is in a small space, so we need it to be super functional. Creating a central island helps to make this kitchen both serviceable and a social hub. We also want to create a seamless look, and this is where Kaboodle's cut to measure offer really comes into play. Here we've used the cut to measure panels on either end of the central island to create a seamless look with no joins. Like any home, this one has its quirks, and we had to work around an unusual ceiling design. So we got creative with cabinetry, which is available in a range of heights. A good planning tool can save you hours of frustration and can help you work through your design and layout. There are loads of options to help you create the perfect kitchen. Start by choosing the cabinets that you want. Then choose from a range of doors and panels. Next, choose your bench top and you're well on the way to creating a kitchen that will work for you. And this DIY solution can be used in other areas of the home. Everything from fabulous laundries like this to specialist cabinetry in the lounge room, so you can have a stylishly consistent look throughout your whole home. The result? We've created a super functional farmhouse kitchen that not only looks great, but fits the space perfectly.